Hello friends. All of us are living through one of the worst pandemic of the century. The COVID crisis and the complete lockdown has created immense hardship and difficulty for every segment of business and industries. The most impacted being the MSMEs. Businesses need additional fund to meet their operational liability build-up, procurement of raw material and various other expenses. Our government has quickly stepped in and announced various schemes and measures to sustain and revive our businesses. There are 6 important schemes announced by our Honorable Finance Minister for the benefit of MSMEs. To simplify things and make MSMEs to completely understand the scheme and its criteria, we Tally Solutions, along with Chamber of Indian Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, have taken this gauntlet upon us to help MSMEs to comprehend the scheme and take full advantage of the scheme as applicable to them and resume their business, safeguard jobs and overcome hardships. Let me quickly touch upon these schemes. The first being the 3 lakh crore emergency automatic loan for MSMEs and traders up to 20% of their entire outstanding credit. The eligible criteria for businesses are whose turnover is less than 100 crores and the outstanding loans are less than 25 crores from banks or NBFCs and no guarantee is required. Friends, we are aware even before the corona crisis, the economy was not in a very good shape. Especially the MSMEs were struggling and they were stressed out. To rescue such patrons, government has announced a historical scheme which the nation or the entire world would have never heard of. The scheme is all those MSMEs account of NPA and stressed accounts will receive loan and subordinate debt money which will be utilized as their equity in the business. The earmarked amount is 20,000 crore for those MSMEs who are functional and active. Government has also announced package for those MSMEs who are performing well, who have upgraded their businesses with the adoption of latest technology to a greater extent and are operating digitally, who are way ahead of their peers. To mitigate their severe shortage of equity, a fund has been set up to 10,000 crores which will help leverage up to 50,000 crores of equity infusion. For a very long time, MSMEs have been asking for a revision in the definition and the threshold limit. Government has heard us and revised the investment criteria upwards with the turnover criteria being introduced. Another great reform the government has announced is with respect to the government tenders. Indian MSMEs and other companies have often faced unfair competition from the foreign companies. The prevailing process was any government, ministry or public sector enterprises whose work related to supply of goods and or services, global tender was floated. Now the government has announced up to 200 crore value of contract, global tender will be disallowed in government procurement. Our Indian MSMEs can participate in it and it's a commendable step by the government helping towards self-reliant India and support Make in India. The 6th scheme announced by the Finance Minister is the solution of delayed payments. The current scenario is the MSMEs supply goods or services to large companies, government departments, public sector enterprises. The payment of these MSMEs was delayed for a longer period of time. Now with the introduction of the scheme, the outstanding of MSMEs have to be cleared within 45 days. These schemes will immensely help all MSMEs during this COVID crisis to revive their businesses, you can utilize these benefits for a successful business endeavor. Thank you very much.